The Ministry of Health has seen an increase in the number of persons coming out to be vaccinated over the past 2 weekends, after rolling out vaccination and COVID testing drive throughout the island on the no movement weekends in an attempt to flatten the COVID-19 curve in Grenada. Senior Medical Officer Dr. Mayanna Charles says the encouraging news shows that their efforts are fruitful.
Now, over the weekend, we administered 1,390 vaccine doses, which is an increase from the previous weekend, where we administered 507 doses. Now, the overall positivity rate over the weekend, we saw a decline, right? And it is now 18.6%. But this is encouraging, right? And it shows that we are in the right direction, but also, more importantly, it shows that persons have their guard up, right? We see that the messages are getting through to people. More people are coming out here to get vaccinated. More people are wearing their masks and practicing those preventative measures. And this is not a time for us to let our guard down. In fact, this is a time for us to more than ever keep our guards up.
Despite the good news, Dr. Charles says that much more people need to be vaccinated to reach the safe zone with COVID-19. Grenada now has 2,337 active cases, 9 of which are imported and 2,329 are locals. The age of these active cases is between 2 months to 103 years. She also indicated that more than 80% of the active cases are not vaccinated.
As it relates to the vaccination status of the active cases, 85% are not vaccinated. 10% are fully vaccinated and 5% have received their first dose of either AstraZeneca or Pfizer. Grenada has recorded 63 cumulative deaths, with the 48 occurring in the hospital and the rest in the community. The age of the deceased ranged from 18 to 103, and important to note, 97% of the deaths were not vaccinated.
While the medical practitioner is optimistic that this change can improve, she is calling on those who are not vaccinated to do so as soon as possible. The call for Grenadians to take the available COVID-19 vaccines was also echoed by Director of Hospital Services, Dr. Carol McIntosh.
Vaccination is our major weapon that we have in this COVID-19 pandemic. Vaccination is our major weapon that we have in this COVID-19 pandemic. If we are able to reach the numbers of 70 to 80% of our country, then we've won this war. There are battles, and it may go up and down, but the battles are being fought.
For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.